Here are the directions you're going to need for the salary-based budget assignment. So each of these slides is basically a slide of instructions for each piece of the budget. So we'll kind of go over getting it started here together. So slide 1, literally just kind of telling you what this is all about. So I'm going to go to slide 2. You are then going to open up the Google Sheet. We are in view only mode, which means we can't do anything. So we're going to do File, make a copy of it. You don't need to change the name or anything. But then once you have your own copy here in the share settings, we are going to say that anyone with Superior Public Schools, and let's just say commenter, okay, and then you won't, well, you could go ahead and copy it now. So you could then go ahead and copy your link. That's what you will come back in on Otis and turn in, and I can't show you very well, but at the bottom, I guess, like below where the Google Slides are, you can do add a file there and just give me the link to that. All right, so we have the copy open. Anything you see in yellow means I am expecting an answer in there. And so if we start out with line 2, it wants our annual gross wage. So I come back to the instructions and we're going to come here. So the first thing is you have to find a career. So you're just going to this career search tool, finding something that's interesting to you. And then it says, once you find your career, record the salary as your annual gross wage. And so just so you can kind of see how this works. So I'll maybe say $50,000, and maybe that was to be a teacher. Okay, monthly gross wage. Now if you're like, I'm not sure how to calculate that. If I go on to my next slide, it's telling me, all right, step 3 is I'm going to take that gross wage, so 50,000 divided by 12, and I will put that then. Using my calculator here. Okay, and then I will come back and put that number here. Ooh, not that much per month. 4,166. Okay, then to actually figure out what is my net wage, so taking out all of those taxes. Okay, once again, I'm going to come to the next slide. It's going to send me to this calculator, and then here's some things it wants me to put in, and some of the things like the gross wage is obviously the one that I found. So like I said, you'll just work through this. It will take a little bit of time, kind of lots of back and forth. And remember, I'm looking for answers in anything that has yellow on this. You will then share this link with me via Otis, just that way it doesn't get lost in my email, and it will make it easy for me to grade.